Hello everyone and welcome to my video. I'm Dr. Mahdi. Today and in this video I'll teach you a very easy method for regrowing mint at home. At the end of this video, if you like it, please push the like, press the subscribe button. You can also hit the bell. In this case, you will get notification whenever I publish a new video. First, I would like to remove the lower leaves. And it's better to keep a few leaves at the top part of every stem. Again, I cut the lower leaves and keep the leaves at the top. In next step, we try to cut the stems obliquely, and we can use a sharp knife, and we can also use scissor. In this case, rooting will be faster. In next step, we need to put all of them in water. Here you can see a bottle containing water. I put all of them in water and I try to put it behind the window because for rooting mint needs too much light. I mean, behind the window should be a nice place for rooting. And after 2 weeks, you can see rooting for mints, and you can transplant them in pot or in garden. And 2 weeks passed, and you can see the roots and also lots of new leaves, and it's time to transplant them in a garden or pot. I have a very small garden in Munich, and I would like to transplant them in my garden. Let's have a look. Let me take them out. Yeah. Oh, it's awesome. You can see the roots. So now I would like to transplant them in my small garden in Munich. Maybe one here, one here, one more. Here, here, or here. And at the end, I try to water them. Hope you found this video useful. If you have any comment or question, you can write it below in comment section. If you like it, please push the like, press the subscribe button, and also you can share it with your friends. And at the end, please don't forget that life is short and enjoy it. Thank you so much and bye.